This morning we decided to have a look behind one of the centre panels, side panels on the in the saloon, and we took this side panel off. We're trying to fight a water leak, but we took this side panel off and then decided that we didn't like and never have liked these surfaces, and these have been found that they've been added by a previous owner. So we've started this morning ripping them off, and this is the last one on this side to come off, and they're only just tacked on, and we've got to replace those. And we think we're going to replace this with a white marble. So we'll do this surface, this side at the back of the saloon, this surface, which is the opposite side of the companionway, and this surface at the top of the galley. So that'll all be done in a gloss white vinyl. And we'll see, maybe, we've just got to find it. I found some, but we just have to find the vinyl. But it's a case of cleaning these up.
Sorry, Janet's got to like it.
So we're going to take this top off now, if we can. The other two came off relatively easy. You watch, this will be a complete and utter it's a matter of that's got the right, hang on, I've got a feeling this is going to take the black off as well. Got a feeling this will be white, Janet.
No matter what colour it is, it's going to get covered.
Yeah.
You just have to live with it for a bit until I find the correct.
Okay.
That's simple.
Yeah.
I may just have to compromise a little bit in my.
Go for
What I want. Or what I would like. Whoa. Right, this is your department now. It's got a load of wires in it.
it's white.
That's fine.
Oh, it's the same as the work surfaces.
I'm just going to stick them there.
It's the same as the work. It's the same as the work surfaces. Oh, I can't do all with that. It's not connected to all.
Alright. What's it say on back?
Ah, Erbesbacher heater, push off, pull on.
What the heck?
Right, well, that's going to get cut. It goes down, but it's a. Right, I have no idea what it was, but it's not connected. It's gone.
Is it toughie? Flipping hammer. Super glued.
Yeah, this one is. There's Janet working away, scraping off. We've got some acetone to try to get this glue off of this surface. Slightly unintended project. It is a job we wanted to do, but not just yet. But anyway, brought it forward on the list. Right, we're ready to start recovering this work surface. We'll give it a quick wipe with a tack cloth just to get any bits up. We're using a water activated glue on some vinyl. Oh, that tack cloth missed some. So we're using a water activated glue, so we'll give feels good. There we are, marble top. loads of this left, so we can do, next thing to do would be down into the galley. Not today, I'm going to have to take that sink out and the tap out, so we'll do the galley and see where else. So after the work's done, it's time to play. We head up to Nun Monkton Pool and moor there for the day.
Just some more blood on it.
Looks like a narrowboat just run aground.
Dad, make sure the box while out of water, it's right shallow.
While we were moored, we watched this narrowboat. He came down the River Ouse from Linton and turned to go up into the Nidd. No water there, it's not navigable, and sure enough he ran aground. International Simon to the rescue. Good job Simon from our marina was on hand. He charged across in his rib and started pushing on the stern to push him around just to free the bow up. Took a couple of attempts, but he managed to get the guy away. Trying to get off, it's still stuck on his bow. He's away. That's it. Whoa, steady. But if he wasn't satisfied with being aground once, he had another go. First of all, he tried to run down the ferry, which is powered by a little silent electric motor. The ferry did cross the bows of the narrowboat, but the narrowboat just kept going. It didn't heed the warnings from the ferry master saying, "You can't go up there, sir." And once again it took a further prod from the guys in the ribs to say, "Hang on, you can't go that way. Where are you going?" "Naven's down to your left."